We just saw John Wick Chapter 4. Thoughts?
A lot of action, a lot of guns, a lot of killing. Not normally my cup of tea, but very entertaining. So if you like action movies, 10 out of 10, for sure.
Would you suggest someone to go see that movie?
If you like action movies, yes. Yes, absolutely.
I'm a huge John Wick fan, and the ending was really upsetting.
If you're a fan of a lot of dialogue, no, because the dialogue's fucking horrible. But other than that,
do not listen to word discussion. I made a big foul error having you on this, actually.
No.
The series is amazing. This guy hasn't seen any of the John Wicks.
He made me go see 4 without seeing 1, 2, or 3. So my opinion may not be.
Yeah, he needs to watch the first one. You need to watch the first one, then have an opinion.
That's fair.
Go see it. Go see it. I haven't played in about a month, and I'm struggling. Sorry, I forgot to mention, we scored. It's 1-0. 13 minutes left in the first period. I forgot to mention it's 2-0 us. I'm not getting a lot of shots this game. Right as I say that, I get a breakaway. Lovely. Sorry, I forgot to mention it was 3-1. We just scored. Now it's 4-1 us with 8 minutes left in the second period. We just scored. It's 5-1 us with 5 minutes and 25 seconds left in the second period. We just scored. It's 6-1 with 4 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second period. We just scored again. It's 7-1, like 3 minutes and 23 seconds left in the second. So what do you guys think of our Coachella outfits? Nice palm tree like we're out in Coachella. What do you guys think of our Coachella jerseys with the palm tree? I think it looks like if Coachella had a hockey team. Well, they do have a hockey team now. Actually, I take that back. Forget what I was saying. Oh my god, it fucking bounced 100 times. We just scored. It's 8-2 us with 17 minutes left in the third period. just scored. It's 9-2 with 12 minutes and 20 seconds left in the third period. We just scored. It's 10-2, double digits, and there's 8 minutes and 20 seconds left in the third period. I'm honestly cursed. I can't, any game I can't get under 3 goals. It's ridiculous.